Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Bronco Sport here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out those dim and dingy brake light bulbs for our super bright MK2 brake light kit. It's an extremely easy install and we're going to jump into it right now. Alright, the first thing we need to do to be able to remove this taillight assembly is remove this plastic trim piece located right here. There are two tabs on this plastic trim piece. Now all we'll need to do is grab onto the trim piece, pull away from the truck with some moderate force, and these two tabs will pop right out. As you can see, just a little bit of force and there's these two tabs right here, and they'll pop right out. That'll expose our two 10mm size nuts here that will need to be removed before we can remove our taillight assembly. Now, if this is your first time removing the taillight assembly, it may take some moderate force as it is in there pretty well. We've removed ours a few times, so it's going to pop right out, but you'll just grab, pull away from the truck, and this taillight assembly should pop right out. Here are three bulbs here on the back of our taillight assembly. To make it a little bit easier for the video, we're going to move over to the tabletop, and to do so we're just going to remove this harness here. It's just a little simple pop tab. You'll press down and pull away. You don't have to do this for the install. We just want to show you guys a little bit easier for the video. Alright, now that we have our taillight assembly removed from the truck, we're going to be swapping out our brake light bulb. The brake light bulb is the center bulb on the taillight assembly. To remove it, give it a slight counterclockwise turn and then pull straight away, and that'll expose our OEM bulb. Now you want to be very careful when removing this bulb. If it's been on recently, it's going to be very hot. We know ours has been off for a while, so it's nice and cool, so we're just going to pull directly away. Set that off to the side, and then we will take our bulb from F150LEDs.com and just seat it down into the place, and then line up our tabs and give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place. Now that we have this installed, we want to check to make sure it's working properly. So we're going to go reconnect our harness before we put everything back into place, the bolts and the trim piece. You're going to go and have somebody else put their foot on the brake, make sure the bulb's lighting up. If the bulb doesn't light up, don't worry, these bulbs are polar sensitive, so you'll just need to remove it, give it a 180-degree turn, reseat the bulb, put it back into place, and you'll be good to go. So now that we've already tested ours, we're just going to reconnect our harness, put back our 10mm bolts, and then reinstall our trim piece, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to swapping out those dim and dingy OEM bulbs for our super bright MK2 brake light kit from F150LEDs.com. This kit is going to add a lot of light at night, and it's going to make you and your families a whole lot safer. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology for your Bronco Sport at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.